Building the future of carbon, trees, blockchain, and the bioeconomy. What if fighting climate change could be profitable? What if carbon removal could power economic growth? What if the solution isn't choosing between trees and technology, but combining them? Welcome to the bioeconomy revolution. Traditional carbon markets are broken. Credits take 18 months to verify. Prices swing wildly. Buyers can't trust what they're purchasing. Meanwhile, forestry projects struggle with financing because investors can't track real-time impact or guarantee returns. The disconnect between environmental need and financial reality is killing climate progress. Bioeconomy Solutions is bridging that gap. We're connecting forestry, technology, and finance into one integrated system. Fast-growing BES carbon orchards provide the biological foundation, capturing carbon 10x faster than traditional forestry. Blockchain technology creates transparent, real-time verification of every ton removed. Smart contracts automate payments and ensure accountability. This isn't just tree planting, it's carbon infrastructure for the digital age. Our bioeconomy solutions model transforms how carbon markets work. Satellite monitoring tracks growth in real time. Telemetry with IoT sensors measures soil carbon. Blockchain mints verified credits in weeks, not years. Investors see live data on their carbon assets from our platform. Buyers get audit-ready transparency. The land under management earns predictable income from carbon-positive agriculture. We've turned carbon removal from a cost center into a profit engine, powered by biology, verified by technology. This is the bioeconomy in action, where environmental solutions create economic value, where fighting climate change generates returns, where trees and technology work together to build regenerative solutions and wealth. The future of carbon isn't just about removal, it's about creating an entirely new economic model that rewards regeneration. The bioeconomy revolution is here. Trees, blockchain, and finance working together to fight climate change while fueling tomorrow's economy. Bioeconomy Solutions is the innovative bridge between traditional forestry and cutting-edge technology, emphasizing a new economic model that makes environmental action profitable. Ready to build the future of carbon? Visit bioeconomysolutions.com and join the revolution where profit meets planet. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com/bookcall.